Hey everyone, Technomentor here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Apple Intelligence on your iPhone outside of the USA region. So let's get started. Now, in order to get that, there are a couple requirements that you need. First, you need iPhone that's compatible, which is going to be the iPhone 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max, and any of the new iPhone 16, like the iPhone 16, 16 Plus, 16 Pro, and the 16 Pro Max. Another requirement is in your software update, you need to go into your settings, general software update. It has to be on iOS 18.1 or newer version. So after you meet those two requirements, in order to activate or turn on Apple Intelligence, all you're going to do is go into your settings, you're going to go to general, and then right here, if you're outside of the United States, you're going to go to language and region, change this region to United States. Okay, you're going to select that, and then the language, you can add it here, but you want English as one. If you don't have English, just search up the United States English version, not the other ones like UK or Australia or even India. So go with the English from the United States, and once you have those settings on, you're going to go back, close out your settings app, right this, and then go ahead and relaunch it, and then go into Apple, and then you'll see a new setting that says Apple Intelligent. You can go ahead and open that up, and that will be available, and then you can come here to toggle that on, to turn it on. If you don't see or you can't turn that on, you can change the language here, make sure it's English United States as well here, and you'll be able to use Apple Intelligent by pressing and holding or saying hey Siri, and it'll activate Siri for you. Now, as you'll see, the requirements for when it comes to getting Apple Intelligence, as I mentioned, these compatible devices with iOS 18.1 or newer in this device language and the Siri language to be set to one of the supported languages. As you can see here, Apple Intelligence is supported, basically available in the United States English, in most region of the world. In December, however, it will support all of these languages listed here. So eventually it will come to the other languages, and then you can also read about the other languages as well. This is directly from Apple's support website, so if you need to get that info, it's all available for you. But that's how you can get Apple Intelligence on your iPhone out of the United States. I hope this video is helpful, so please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone or other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.